Today we're going to learn how to paint this black hole.
So the question today is, how many solar masses is required to form a black hole?
Alright, let's run through the color. Thinning yellow, primer yellow, burnt umber, phthalo blue, quin blue, phthalo green, quin red, pearly red, titanium white, Mars black. Alright, for this layer what we're doing is we started dark green kind of into a forest green, kind of a turquoise blue, pure blue, a purple, a light purple, and then I added some white at the end to kind of show that last pop before it goes into the black hole. Alright, we've added in the original color, which is kind of this dark green to purples, and then we got the center. So we're going to darken the center, get that a lot darker. We'll have to obviously clean it up when we get towards the end, probably make it a little bigger to make it realistic on the roundness. Now what we're going to add is kind of those gaseous and dark clouds to make the swirl go inside of the black hole. For this painting we kind of laid in the gas in the dark space, so now we're going to do translucent colors on top of that and lighten up the gases and give them actual real color. It'll give it that spiral effect and more realistic looking. Alright, for this painting what we're going to do is kind of fill this in and do a white outline to kind of show where the stars really blend in that last layer before they get taken into the black hole.
So the question today is about how many solar masses to form a black hole. A solar mass is obviously, we weigh it in the sun, our own sun, so that's considered one solar mass, kind of a generic term. So once you get to 1.5 to 3 size of the sun combined as one sun, it can physically collapse into a black hole. So you have to have a certain size to actually collapse into a black hole. So a smaller size will just collapse in a neutron star and eventually die off. Whereas if you get a larger mass, 1.5 to 3, or obviously larger, it will form a black hole and then start to suck in other galaxies, other stars, and their planets, of course.
Alright, we just finished the painting. Let's take a closer look. So this one has a nice blue-green to blue, purple with the white and black in the middle. I really like this sense of, the color transition. I think is really nice in this particular black hole. I think that works really well. It does have this kind of squirrely, looks like sperm on it. That looks kind of funny, but also it kind of shows like these stars are starting to get distorted. I did this kind of white outline. It's a little sloppy. It works, but it could be a little cleaner. I couldn't figure out how to do that besides just use that circle of tape, so I thought that was probably the best way to do that, because a black hole will have, the stars will start to swirl, like they'll just be stretched out and pulled apart. So they'll just form this little white line around the black hole itself while everything else is kind of swirling around and getting slowly pulled in. But yeah, I think it works pretty well. Hopefully you guys like it. Give me a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, you can subscribe below. And I'll see you on the next painting video. Thanks for watching, guys.